Today's lesson is going to be on factoring by completing the square. Let's assume that we have a binomial x squared plus bx plus something in brackets. We're trying to figure out what goes in the brackets. A perfect square can be written as x plus c squared is x squared plus 2cx plus c squared. By making both equations equal and having all the coefficients equal, we can then have b equals 2 times c and the bracket equals to c squared. So again, by solving, that means that c equals b over 2, and what goes into the bracket becomes b over 2 squared, or b squared over 4. Therefore, we have completed the square by writing x squared plus bx plus b squared over 4. Now, we can apply this to solve one of the problems from the Regents exam. Let's assume that we have x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 6y plus 3 equals 0. That's an equation in x and y. And we're trying to find out how to factor this. We notice that we have squares in both x and y. So we can rewrite this as x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 6y plus 3 equals 0. And now we have to complete the square in both x and y, like this, plus y squared plus 6y plus something else is equal to something else altogether. By applying what we learned before, we find that this should be equal to b squared over 4, which is going to be minus 2 squared over 4, or 1. What goes in parentheses becomes 6 squared over 4, or 36 over 4, or 9. And in this case, we can just rewrite this as x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9. Since we've added 1 and 9, we need to subtract them again. So it's minus 1 plus minus 9. So we don't change anything to the equation. We have the same equation. And now we can rewrite this as x minus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared minus 10 plus 3 equals 0, or again, x minus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 7, which gives you the answer to the problem. Thank you.